Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you all are also enduring the lockdown and social distancing in the right spirit. See, as I earlier discussed, this Corona crisis, the COVID 19, it definitely has a silver lining. Okay, so please obey what government says in the right spirit, observe the lockdown and social distancing norms, and things will be absolutely all right. Not just all right, in fact they appear to be fantastic after this all is over. So see, to start off with, let us again discuss certain predictions which I made in Vishwavijay Panchang in October 2018 itself, and those predictions were focused upon time period between July 2019 till July 2020. Okay. Uh, we said, and I quote, अर्थव्यवस्था विस्थापन अनुभव करती हुई नवीन प्रतिमान तथा नव व्यवस्था की दिशा में जाएगी। नवीन प्रणाली, नवीन प्रक्रिया विश्व अर्थव्यवस्था को हमेशा के लिए बदल देगा। मीनिंग there will be a there will be a significant paradigm shift in the way global economies function between time period July 2019 till July 2020। यह सब घटनाएं 23 जनवरी 2020 23 जनवरी 2020 के बाद ट्रिगर होना शुरू होंगी। Then we also said that global diplomacy, international diplomacy, will be divided into three visible super blocks. Okay. Then we further wrote मध्य पूर्व एशिया, सेंट्रल ईस्टर्न एशिया में युद्ध अग्नि भयावह हो सकती है। इस युद्ध ताप को भारत, यूरोप और अमेरिका तक महसूस किया जाएगा। Further, we said American relations with Russia, Iran and China will get stressed. बहुत तनावग्रस्त हो जाएंगे। तनावग्रस्त इतने हो जाएंगे कि सैन्य टकराव, मिलिट्री अग्रेशन will also be possible between these countries. Then we further said that Indo-American trade relations, Indian and American trade relations, भ्रम एवं अनिश्चितता पूर्ण होंगे। There will be propaganda, fake beliefs, confusion and uncertainty marking Indo-American trade relations. Now we come to a very important prediction which we made in 2018 for again the same time period, संवत्स 2075 विक्रमी के अंतिम चरण, which would be period between January 2019 till April 2019। इस अवधि में जैविक, परमाणुविक या रासायनिक अस्त्र शस्त्रों का किसी कट्टरवादी संगठन के हाथ लगने की प्रबल संभावना है। मीनिंग न्यूक्लियर, बायोलॉजिकल और केमिकल वेपन ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन कैन गेट असेस्ड और can let's say come within reach of an extremist entity। इन अस्त्रों का भयानक प्रयोग संवत 2076 विक्रमी के उत्तरार्ध, which is time period between September 2019 till April 2020 में होने की प्रबल संभावना है। Again I am reiterating, this all was astrology, whatever I am discussing is astrological indication and tendencies. Okay. Now then we further said that America, China and Russia will enter into a long military struggle, and the reason for this long military struggle would be underlining financial economic supremacy. Saudi and maybe few other Gulf countries as well, primarily Al Saud dynasty is entering into the last leg of their monarchy. Then for March 2020, specifically for March 2020, we said that विश्व अर्थव्यवस्था में मंदी के स्पष्ट संकेत मिलेंगे। एकाएक अर्थव्यवस्था रसातल की ओर जाती हुई दिखेगी। मीनिंग March 2020 onwards, there will be clear-cut signs of recession in global economy। यह ग्लोबल रिसेशन और अर्थव्यवस्था में मंदी भारत के लिए अल्पकालिक एवं काफी हद तक काल्पनिक होगी. So this is the silver lining I'm talking about. Okay? Pakistan will have to face acute food and water crisis. Also, as we have been saying since 2008, I think, right? That period between 2016 till 2020 would be period marking disintegration of Pakistan, or the period in which Pakistan will come out as a complete failed nation state. Also, the Kashmir terrorism, which took its ugliest form between 1990 to 1995, will finally be crushed forever. कश्मीरी आतंकवाद हमेशा के लिए कुचल दिया जाएगा. अंततः होगा तो वही, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ओनली द डिज़ायर एंड द विश ऑफ माँ भगवती शारदा would prevail, but astrology gives a clear-cut indication that we will again have ease of access for conducting the Tirth Yatra to Bhagwati Sharda Shakti Peeth. Now, let us talk about what we predicted about China in 2018 again. These predictions were again made in 2018. These are the predictions. I'll briefly just read it out. चीन की स्थापना की कुंडली में सितंबर 2019 ईस्वी में बुध की महादशा आरंभ होने वाली है. दैट मीन्स सितंबर 2019 will mark a significant twist, a significant change in the journey of the communist regime of China. अक्टूबर 2019 में भारत और चीन के संबंध सन 1962 जैसी परिस्थिति में पहुंच सकते हैं. चीन की अर्थव्यवस्था अराजकता एवं असंतुलन के कारण अनेक उतार चढ़ाव देखेगी. सितंबर 2019 onwards, China will get extremely violent and desperate in ongoing trade war with America and other countries. मार्च 2019 से मई 2019 तक का समय चीन के लिए कूटनीतिक तनाव का है, इंटरनेशनल डिप्लोमेटिक स्ट्रेस. मई 2019 से सितंबर 2019 तक चाइना अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कूटनीति एवं आर्थिक प्रतिबंधों के कारण अपने आप को अकेला व पीड़ित समझेगा. चाइना को लगेगा दे हैव बीन बुलेड बाय अमेरिका एंड नेटो अलायंसेस. और इस परिस्थिति से बाहर आने के लिए अक्टूबर 2019, मार्क दिस थिंग, अक्टूबर 2019 तक चीन अति आक्रामक हो सकता है. अभूतपूर्व अनप्रेसिडेंटेड सैन्य प्रदर्शन एवं अस्त्र शस्त्रों के उत्पादन, संग्रह एवं प्रयोग से चीन विश्व शांति पर एकाएक संकट उत्पन्न कर देगा. This means we clearly said in October 2018 that in the month of September 2019 China will lose its mental balance, possibly. When I say China, it means communist regime of China. Communist regime of China will possibly lose their discretion and rationality, and they will get extremely violent, and their violence can cause tremors into global peace. Now, interesting things to note here. See, as a commoner, I have no idea if coronavirus, which caused COVID-19, is man-made or natural or a laboratory accident. I do not know. I would only know what our government will tell us eventually, and I'm pretty sure truth will prevail. Our government will get to know the exact reason. Global governments, American government would get to know exactly what happened, and truth will prevail. But astrology indicates, remember the prediction which I just shared, which we made again in 2018, 2020 में, period between October till March 2020, October 2019 till March 2020, किसी रासायनिक, जैविक या परमाणुविक हथियार जिसकी स्मगलिंग किसी एक्सट्रीमिस्ट एंटिटी के हाथों तक हो चुकी होगी, उसका भयावह प्रयोग इस कालावधि बिटवीन अक्टूबर 2019 टिल मार्च 2020 तक हो सकता है. and rest I do not know what has really happened, but this is what astrology indicates. Now it becomes imperative to study horoscope of China. सी नाउ चाइना की जो स्थापना कुंडली होती है वो कन्या लग्न की है. नाउ इफ वी सी इन चाइनीज हॉरोस्कोप, or rather horoscope of China, not Chinese horoscope, Vedic horoscope of communist regime of China, period between January 2020 till 15th July 2020 is when China will be extremely confident, motivated, and would be super happy with what it has done. But immediately after mid-July 2020 till at least mid-December 2020, this is when China would be under influence of Antardasha of Guru, Jupiter, which is 7th Lord in Chinese horoscope. And 7th Lord situated in 3rd house. This means 7th Lord is aspecting the 7th house, thus a clear-cut marak as per principles of Parashar Siddhant. Thus, I am pretty sure that between July 2020 till December 2020, the communist regime of China will be forced to possibly witness their own end. And by 2021-22, by the winters of 2021-22, China as a country, as a culture, as a civilization will remain the way it is. It will possibly keep progressing. But the communist regime of China is gone forever. God save this country, or rather this party. I don't think they have a way out. Now let us talk about what horoscope of India indicates. Again, now अगर हम अपनी वृष लगन की कुंडली देखें, भारत की 3-4 कुंडलियां हैं. there are 3-4 horoscopes which help us to peep into what future holds for India. Independence horoscope, or enforcement of republic's horoscope, and then there are certain other important events in the Indian history which also still have an impact on how India progresses. Now, period between mid-December 2019 till July 2021, this is the period in which Indian supremacy would be established in Asia. Our economic supremacy would be established in Asia. And now if I couple Indian horoscope with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's horoscope and horoscope of few other cabinet holders, then again it clearly indicates that by around July 2020, Indian economy will start rising. And then we do not look back. We do not look back at all. Yes, ongoing periods, specifically the month of May and June, would be stressful for us. Economically, it will be a turbulent period for us. We will experience stress, anxiety at interpersonal levels, being Indians, and at the macroscopic level, being a civilization, being a culture, being a nation. Also during this period, our northern borders appear to be extremely sensitive, but post that, things are extremely rosy. This is our age. We are entering India as an economy, India as a military superpower is entering into golden age. Pakistan's horoscope doesn't have much relevance left in global economic order. I don't think this country will even survive. This country won't see Saturn's entry into its Neech Rashi, which is Mesh. Few other countries, let's say if we talk about Saudi Arabia, or this is again I'm repeating, this is not horoscope of Saudi Arabia, this is horoscope of Al Saud dynasty. Again, Vrishik Lagan, Scorpion ascendant horoscope है, and August 2020 में केतु की महादशा में बुध, मरकरी की अंतरदशा आती है, क्लियर कट मारक दशा है. August 2021 तक I think Al Saud dynasty will become irrelevant in at least Saudi politics. Then we come to France. French horoscope, कर्क लगन की कुंडली है. I genuinely do not see their economic revival before November 2021. Around June 2021, French economy will again get back onto its feet. By 2022, they will regain some lost glory, but at least in our lifetimes, France as a global superpower is a matter of history. Same goes for German economy, American economy. Yes, it will also go through turmoil, but then by the year 2021, by the beginning of 2021, even American economy will be doing fundamentally and will be doing terrifically brilliant. Okay, mark my words. American economy will also be doing brilliant. There are certain economies which do not see a revival at all, specifically North Korea. Now, if we look at North Korean horoscope, November 2019, a event which happened possibly in North Korea, which we would never know, a event which happened in November 2019 in North Korea would mark end to the ruling dynasty, and by around January 2021, January 2021, astrology indicates a sort of a form of elections being conducted in North Korea, which is a surprising thing, though a good thing, but a surprising thing. Also, now another important thing to discuss over here is how would post COVID-19 world look alike? See, astrology clearly indicates that lockdown will sooner or later be removed. I'm pretty sure we are under a very capable, righteous, and a strong government, and whenever the government decides to lift the lockdown as per their own analysis of the situation or whatever their advisors tell us, because I'm pretty sure they are government of India is equipped with best advisors as of now. Whenever they will deem fit to ease or end lockdown, they will do. I should not comment upon when astrologically lockdown appears to uh, let's say be relaxed, but one thing which astrology indicates is that at least till 2025 social distancing will have to be followed. So world has changed, everything around us has changed at behavioral level, at microeconomic level, or at macroeconomic level. Okay, now we have entered into a new age primarily governed by Mercury and Saturn. Okay, so there will be particular sectors which will do phenomenally well. They will have an abrupt but an unprecedented rise. Certain sectors, they will see a long, let's say, phase of dullness or recession. So this is the best time for all of us to reinvent. If for example, let's say hypothetically, if I belong to industrial sector which doesn't appear to show positivity or progression, then it is imperative on my path to slowly readjust and reinvent myself to align into the trades which are most likely, or rather sure shot to boom. I will be uploading a new video blog very soon where I will discuss each and every such sector which will, as per again astrology, see tremendous rise in years to come, and also sectors which do not seem to grow anymore. Accordingly, at interpersonal level, at policy level, we all can adapt and come out with flying colors from this crisis. Thirdly, lastly, I have lost the count of the number. But also, one more thing, I'm pretty sure that our government is doing their level best. I'm pretty sure our government is performing better relatively than any other global government as of now. And I'm again pretty hopeful that they will continue to deliver this excellent performance. And not just government. When I say government, I mean government, Indian bureaucracy, Indian police service, state police services, Indian military. Oh my god, this is fabulous performance. As Indians, वी ऑल हैव दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ये हमारा राष्ट्रीय कर्तव्य है कि इस आपातकाल या युद्ध या जो भी आप इस स्थिति को कह लीजिए, इस स्थिति में हम अपने राष्ट्रीय हित के लिए अपनी सरकार के साथ हर तरीके का सद्भाव बनाए रखें और अपनी सरकार के साथ खड़े रहें. लेट अस ऑल प्लीज मेंटेन एब्सोल्यूट पीस, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इन द कंट्री, कंट्रीब्यूट इन मेंटेनिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर एंड पीस इन द कंट्री, एंड प्लीज घर पे रहिए, लॉकडाउन का पालन कीजिए, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन कीजिए और अपने दिमाग से एंजाइटी को निकालिए. प्लीज बी मोटिवेटेड, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट पॉसिबिलिटीज इन which you can reinvent yourself, or if you are already in the right direction, think about possibilities in which you can further grow, right? And cheers guys, I'll see you very soon. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Namaskar.